After sewing all the holes, go back 2 stitches to reinforce it. Pass the lower needle up. Pass the top needle down. Then pass this needle down again. Cut the guide wire. Leave about 2 millimeters. Burn it with a lighter. Flatten the other side in the same way. Next, sew the sides and bottom together. Go to twice the length of this line. Double. Double. Align the holes above. After threading the first needle, 2 lines aligned. Thread the needle down from the top. Thread the needle up from the bottom. The same goes for the ones at the back. After sewing all the holes, go back 2 stitches. Thread the lower needle upward. Then pass the upper needle downward. Pass this needle downward again. Burn it with a lighter. Flatten this one. This is the same method. Next we sew the latch pad to the purse. First we put this through the latch pad. Then put this gasket. Put it on and press it on both sides. This ellipse is below. Then above the money bag and mortise lock gasket, there is a big round hole aligned. Take a line 4 times the length of this section, twice, 3 times, 4 times starting from this big hole. After a needle passes through, 2 lines aligned. Thread the lower needle upward, then pass the upper needle downward. All holes have been sewn. Let's go back 2 stitches. The needle below goes up. Then pass the top needle downward. Pass this needle downward again. The other side is also sewed in the same way. Next, sew the front panel and front pocket side panel together. It is 4 times the line of the front pocket side circumference. EX. Double. 3 times. 4 times. Let's get it again. Another line of the same length is available as a spare. After passing through the first pinhole, pull up the 2 lines. Thread the lower needle upward. Pass the top needle downward. It's like this from behind. After sewing all the stitch holes, let's go back 2 more stitches. The needle on the lower side is pointing upwards. The needle on the top side is pointing downwards. Then the needle goes down here. Burn it with a lighter, then flatten. Next, we sew the money bag and money bag side panels together. Take out the spare line. Thread the needle and let's start sewing. After passing through several pinholes, 2 lines aligned. Pay attention to the wire at the back and wrap it around from above. Then pass through. Then go around again. Look down. Take out the thread clip, align the pinholes, then clamp. Continue sewing as before. All holes have been sewn. Then the wire at the back is looped from the top. Wear it down. Then go around again. Look again. Go back to stitches. The needle below is pointing upwards. The needle above is pointing downwards. Then pass the needle downward. Cut the wax line with scissors, leaving about 2 mm. Burn it with a lighter. Press. Next we are going to sew these 2 parts together. Take a line 7 times the length of this section, 8 times 6 times, 7 times, and take another line of the same length as a spare. Align the first hole on the side panel with this big hole. After the needle passes through, 2 lines aligned. The thread at the back goes this way. Then look down. This completes 1 stitch. Then reinforce it once. Wear it this way again. Then down. Thread the needle below in this direction. Pass the top needle down again. Sew to this. The cornered interface. We will emphasize this later. Sew to this corner. We continue to sew adjacently downwards. Sew here. The connection is the same as before. When sewing this big hole, the lower needle goes this way. Thread another needle down. Sew another circle up for reinforcement. Then backstitch. Cut the guide wire. Leave 2 mm. Burn it with a lighter. Level. Next we put these 2 parts together. Take out the spare line. Thread the needle. After passing through the first pinhole, pull the wire at the back up and wrap it around. Then go around again. After all holes are sewn, the needle at the back is looped forward again. Then go around again. Then go back one stitch. This is a needle gap, buckle on the roller. Let's take out this short shoulder strap, then insert it. Then put this belt loop on this shoulder strap. Fold it a little like this. Note that this is the shoulder strap that is buckled with a single hole. Then align this hole. Take out the pins. On this side of the hole, go through from the front. Then use a screwdriver to tighten the other side. Then we thread the long shoulder strap into the pin buckle. Adjust the desired length. Then put it through the belt loop. Secure this side with a belt loop. Fold it slightly. Then pass through. Then pass this side through. We put the shoulder straps through with the wrong side up, then align the two holes. Nail the mother-in-law. On the side of the hole, go through from the front. Fix it with a screwdriver. That's it. The same method is used on the other side. Go through it with the wrong side up. Then align the two holes. Nail the side with holes. Go through from the front. Use a screwdriver to tighten and secure. Our portable Cambridge bag is finished.